I just want to thank everyone that has come forward with clothes and donation for those that have been affected, those that were affected by the flood in the last couple of weeks. We have another hurricane coming down the path. We don't know whether it's going to hit us, but there's no doubt it's going to bring a lot more rain. Labasa has been hit with flood in the last couple of days. So thank you very much for coming forward and donating clothes and money for those that were affected. Now I also want to thank Golden Manufacturing for the provision of cotton, FPC personnel for giving their time and their space, and of course troops for giving the car park space for this donation to be carried forward. Thank you very much. Now for everyone. Thank you all the volunteers for coming forward in the provision of this appeal.
Kita sama-sama, Dr. Matar Masu Siliwan,